Yiwei 18-ton pure electric docking compression garbage truck. In-house integrated vehicle design, powerful performance with quiet operation and zero emissions. It is designed for community waste transfer stations. It has an automatic hydraulic docking system, compatible with TU4OL660L standard waste bins. Sealing and loading in 10 seconds, preventing leakage. It has a 13 cubic meters large capacity. With two-way compression technology, waste compression ratio up to 3:1, the single loading capacity is increased by 50% and reduce the frequency of transfer. 194.44 kWh high capacity battery, range up to 300 kilometers. 24 hours continuous operation. Smart power distribution cuts energy use by 20%. Smart remote monitoring, 5G real-time uploads operation data. Fault warning and path optimization. Smart and efficient garbage collection.